Good morning, ma'am. May I know which editorials are worth going through in today's newspaper?
Yes, absolutely. There are two must-read editorials in the Indian Express today, and both the editorials are very relevant and important for examination perspective. Come, let's have a look. The first editorial is after Trump and Xi ceasefire in Busan. Here's a to-do list for New Delhi. Now, this article discusses geopolitical implications of Trump and Xi Jinping's ceasefire announcement at Busan summit. Now, signaling a temporary easing of US-China tensions. The author also argues, the author is Nirupama Rao, and she argues that India must use this diplomatic window to strengthen its own strategic, economic, and regional posture. And this article is very relevant for UPSC perspective, as in GS paper 2 international relations it is very important. It talks about US China and India's triangle. So it's again very important. Then we have in GS paper 3 also, it is very important for security and economy perspective. It is a need for defense modernization and economic resilience amid geopolitical shifts. Then in essay and international mains related questions, it is very important because in an era of shifting great power equations, India's strategic autonomy remains its strongest asset. And again, it's very important. Now let's move on to the second editorial for today. The second article is Bihar needs new development strategies, not RevDis. Now, the article argues that Bihar's political narrative is trapped in RevD politics, a focus on freebies and short-term populism rather than long-term structural reform. Despite decades of political change, Bihar's economic performance remains very weak, with states per capita income still among the lowest in India. Now, this is again very important for UPSC. Why? Because GS paper 3 economy perspective, again it's very important because it talks about regional development disparities, agricultural productivity, employment and industrialization. Then GS paper 2 also, it is very important for governance and social justice because welfare versus populism. It's a debate on RevD culture and sustainable welfare. Then lastly, it is again very important for essay and ethics relevance. So these were the two most important editorials in today's The Indian Express newspaper. If you want a deeper analysis on these newspapers, do watch our DNA video. And that is it for today. Thank you for watching.